Hello everyone, welcome to Acorn and Oak and this week's ATC Thursday video. Excuse the state of my hands, I've been creating. Right, this time I think I'm going to do something that's not so measured and exact. Something a bit more mixed media-y. I'm going to go through my scraps. I really like this piece here, so I think this is going to be a Christmas ATC. I've got loads of bits and pieces out behind me. So I guess we're just going to create on the fly. I don't think I want that as my background. Maybe this. So I'm just going to get a rough idea of what size I need. Okay, let's put it on the side. Do you fit? Or no, you fit fine. Now, do I want to ink the background? Or do I want to put some, what do you call this stuff? Washi tape. Come here, you. Where's the end? Put some washi tape on. And I think I want it around all four sides. Not sure what I want yet, crafters. Do I want these on here? Have a little birdie. That's the thing with ATCs, they can be 3D. Okay, I think I'm going to glue this backing paper down. This one on top of that. Do I want the birdie on there? I want to make these tutorials as very different as possible. Okay, let's put some glue. push it down, it doesn't seem to want to give me the glue. Okay, I like that. And these leaves are too big, I think. I need some smaller leaves. On these mini pine cones, see, when I press down, it's not giving me the glue, so I have to press the glue through. So I definitely think I need a different gun. To make a nice ornament. Okay, what's something at the back here, I think. Do I want a velvet bow and a yep. Okay, so these are just some velvet bows that I got from Poundland quite a few years ago now. Okay, crafters, I think I'm going to call that one done and get myself a new glue gun, because this one really isn't working. So thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.